Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about predicate, consumer, function. Now the last interface in our list is supplier. And supplier interface is is the one interface which does not takes an input but performs some operation. Yep, it does not takes an input. It just executes itself without taking an input. Like some kind of utility function is there and you want to execute it multiple times from different points. So there you can use supplier. So before jumping over to the coding session, we have to check its documentation. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Represents a supplier of result. Even the documentation says represents a supplier of the results. There is no requirement that a new or distinct result be returned each time the supplier is invoked. Yeah, they are clearly mentioning it that the way the why they developed the supplier, so you want to get some result from this, but that's not fixed that you will always get new or distant result. Maybe you can get the same result again and again. Some kind of fixed is there, some kind of static code is there which performs some operation and returns it. So it could be the same or it could be new, but there's no hard and fast rule for that. And it has a method get, just one method, it has one abstract method which has a return type as t type. So get, do some operation, but return something without taking any input. So let's take something from here, this whole stuff. So there it is, the documentation about, and that's the interface generation, represents a supplier. There is no requirement, and there is a function interface whose function method is get. And how it looks like, just t type and get. So if I have to write something, so t get, let's make it public for now, and get is the method and semicolon. So that's how it is declared in this interface. So if I have to create its lambda expression, so this will be blank arrow, and there you have to write some operation, and then you will get your output. So output will be something based on that operation, but you won't get any input. As we can see, input is blank. So let me write this, no input. Okay, so that's how we can write its lambda expression. In next video we will see some situation where you can use that, and yep, that's the whole idea. So let's meet in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye guys.